Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's jump to the video. Question number 11. What many traders do study mainly? The answer is, many successful traders only study price action to make money. Quote number 61. Paul Tudor Jones said, "I'm always thinking about losing money as opposed to making money. Don't focus on making money, focus on protecting what you have." This is another fine quote from Paul Tudor Jones on the importance of protecting what you have. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.